Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to send MS Word file in Messenger using your laptop. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your browser, then just type in facebook.com, and if you aren't logged in, make sure to be logged in as well. Now from here, click on this icon that says Messenger, and once you click on it, select the contact that you want to send the Word document to. Now here you'll have an option that says with a gallery icon that says attach a file. Now simply click on it and select the folder, or open up the folder, or locate the folder where the document or your MS Word file is saved. Now select the folder, or just simply drag the folder and drop it to the chat like this, or you can just simply click on it and then click on open. And once you have done that, all you gotta do is tap on send, and then your MS Word file is sent in the by using Messenger. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.